Hey guys, Matt with Alligator Performance, and today I'm showing off a brand new innovative product to the diesel industry. The Fleece Performance PowerFlo in-tank lift pump assembly, currently ranging for that 2005 to 2018 Dodge Cummins, but with more makes and models coming out soon. These will be updated and available on our website at alligatorperformance.com. So when Fleece Performance went to the drawing board looking to bring out a new performance lift pump to the industry, they kept a few things in mind. They wanted quiet, ease of installation, reliability, eliminate any cutting of your factory equipment, and to get rid of the quarter tank issues, all while being able to support 800 horsepower and to be confident enough in the product to go ahead and support it with a lifetime warranty. Well, what Fleece came up with was an OEM design but on steroids. Fleece added in a second OEM style gear pump, which has been rated for that 12,000 plus hours of operation, and together will flow enough fuel to support that 800 to 850 horsepower range. There is an internal pressure regulator in the head of the tank flange to go ahead and tune in and provide proper fuel pressure to your injection pump. The active fuel bucket technology is designed to prevent quarter tank issues by having a fuel port on top, passive fill diaphragms on the bottom of the bucket, an active fill port that is drawing fuel into the bucket by one of the lift pumps, and also the fuel return drops right back in the top of the bucket. Also, since this is a contained unit, fuel is not being aerated, so there's not a need for an air separation device. The install on the PowerFlo is pretty simple and easy. This is replacing your factory sitting unit. So you would remove the 4 to 6 bolts holding your bed on, jack the driver's side up enough to go ahead and pop out your factory sitting unit, and then go ahead and replace it with the PowerFlo. Fleece includes the high quality wiring harness that piggybacks in your factory wiring. One of these connectors goes into the PowerFlo, the other one goes into your factory wiring harness. Run the lines up to your battery so you can go ahead and connect your power wire and your ground. Along with that, Fleece will utilize your factory fuel lines with the quick disconnects for a reliable install, no leaks, and makes that pretty quick to go ahead and do. That's it. There's no cutting into your factory wiring harness, no running new fuel lines, no cutting the fuel neck for a fuel return, and no drilling into your tank. So one of the most common questions that we get with this unit is, what about the filtration? Well, the newer trucks on the market have had some great advancements in the fuel and water filtration technology. The stock or the factory fuel filter actually does pretty good. Until you hit about the 800 horsepower range, that filter starts getting a little bit restrictive. So if your demands do exceed that 800 horsepower range, Fleece will offer a filter block with a higher flowing filter along with a larger supply and return hose kit. Alright guys, I'll leave a link in the description so you can go ahead and check out this PowerFlo lift pump. And if you have any questions at all, hit us up on social or give us a shout at 866-255-7212. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more product reviews.